To save a project in PyCharm, you don't need to explicitly click a Save button like in some applications. PyCharm automatically saves your project as your work. However, there are steps to follow if you want to ensure that your project is saved properly and to manage its files. Create a new project. Open PyCharm and select File, New Project. Choose the project location, interpreter and other settings and click Create. PyCharm will save the project files automatically in the chosen directory. Save individual files. As you make changes to a file, PyCharm will highlight unsaved files with a dot next to their names. To save a single file, go to File, Save, or use the shortcut Ctrl+S or Command+S. Save all files. If you want to save all the files in the project at once, go to File, Save All, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+S or Command+Shift+S. Version control. If you're using version control, you can commit your changes and push to a repository. Go to VCS, commit, then add the commit message and push the changes to your repository.